Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around to the end as we answer the big question. Is Pinterest still relevant for creative inspiration in 2024? Let's dive in. Pinterest has long been a go-to platform for discovering ideas, whether it's for home decor, recipes, fashion, or DIY projects. But with so many apps now offering visual content, does Pinterest still stand out? Here's what you need to know. First, what makes Pinterest unique? Unlike social media apps focused on sharing life updates, Pinterest is all about discovery and inspiration. You can create virtual boards to organize ideas, follow trends, and explore millions of pins tailored to your interests. From wedding planning to productivity hacks, there's a niche for everyone. What's new in 2024? Pinterest has introduced AI-powered tools to enhance its functionality. The pin generator can now recommend content based on your past searches, while the updated shopping feature makes it easier to find and buy products directly through the app. For creators, Pinterest has expanded its video pin and story pin options, helping them reach wider audiences. The pros: Pinterest is user-friendly and remains one of the best apps for long-term idea organization. Its focus on positivity and inspiration makes it a refreshing alternative to other platforms. Plus, the recent updates have made it more interactive and shoppable than ever before. The cons: while Pinterest is excellent for creativity, its search algorithm can sometimes feel repetitive, showing similar content over time. Additionally, users looking for more social interaction might find Pinterest less engaging compared to apps like Instagram or TikTok. So is Pinterest still relevant in 2024? Absolutely. Whether you're a creative enthusiast or someone looking for everyday inspiration, Pinterest continues to be a valuable resource. While it's not the trendiest app, its focus on ideas and organization keeps it indispensable for millions worldwide. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments how you use Pinterest and if it's still your favorite app for creative inspiration. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.